Guests love to ask Moses, what is your favorite animal? And I always say animal behavior is quite interesting. Guests travel from all around the world to come and see the Big Five. But there is a lot to see in this amazing ecosystem. Sometimes watching a dung beetle roll its dung for close to a good hour can be very interesting than watching lions sleeping the whole day out. One of the main principles of being a professional guide is respect for the animals. I'll repeat that again. Respect for the animals. For the guests to enjoy the wonders of the bush is for us to respect and watch these animals from a safe distance. And when the animals are comfortable and when you don't disturb them, they will go on about their normal behavior and guests can enjoy the bush